Hey guys, Ryan Donaldson here with Accelerate Marketing, and today I'm going to talk to you about the benefits of message leads and why you want to make sure that you have your message leads turned on so that you can generate a significant number of leads that your competitors are not, and actually at a very reduced price. A lot of people have tried message leads, and message leads have turned into just a bad situation for most business owners because of the fact that they are trying to respond to those message leads themselves. I want to help you guys understand that that is the wrong way to actually treat message leads or go about trying to take message leads on specifically the Google Local Service Ads platform. Because here's the problem. The workflow that most business owners are using is they're using a voice workflow where the intake is answering the phone, and they're not used to a workflow where they're responding to message leads or emails that come in from, example, Yelp or Angie's List or LSA or Local Service Ads. I'm going to tell you guys that you want to connect an AI agent to all of those platforms. And we do have AI agents that you can use, and you can just turn on just messaging, not even voice. Just turn on the AI agent to respond to all of your inbound leads that come in from Angie's List, from Yelp, from Bing, from Yahoo, from obviously Google Local Service Ads, etc. I'm going to suggest that you have an AI agent respond to those message leads instead of a human. Why? Because the AI agent will respond instantly every single time. And when that happens, you're going to be the one that gets that lead, because those leads always go to the business owner that responds the fastest. The reason why these businesses, Yelp, Local Service Ads, Angie's List, etc., started selling these leads to multiple businesses is because they couldn't guarantee that the leads would be responded to within an hour or 2 hours. If they're set to one business or two, they would be responded to in hours, sometimes 2 days or 3 days. And what you can do is you can leverage this to your advantage by positioning an AI agent at the end of it as opposed to a human, and then have the AI agent have that conversational back and forth via text or via chat. And then once the person's qualified, then you can actually have that person flipped over to have a conversation with the human. This is the way that I would set these up. And if you are not doing it this way, then you're doing yourself a disservice. Okay, this is one way that you can really beat out your competition, and we can help you do this. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. You can text me at 619-304-5155 in order to chat with our AI agent. You'll see. I mean, it works really well. It'll qualify the heck out of you. It'll ask you 4 to 5 questions. And then once you are qualified, it will then either schedule an appointment. You can see exactly the back and forth. You'll be surprised that it's not a human. So test it out. You can have the AI agent have those conversations and augment your humans that are used to using the phone and answering the phone and having those verbal conversations instead of a text conversation workflow. Okay, thanks.